Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change language on Indeed. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Indeed account. Of course, I'm going to show you exactly how to get that done if you do not have one. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar, which is usually at the top corner of your screen. In there, type Indeed.com and it's going to take you to the official website for Indeed. Once you get to the website, follow the on-screen prompt to create an account. And once you're done creating your account, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Indeed. Now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to change language on Indeed. Okay, so how do you get that done? First off, let's find out if we can get that done within the website itself, which of course we'll find in the profile setting. So let's click on the profile setting and see if we can see that. So just click on profile. So here you go. Scroll the way down and you see that that option is not available. Okay, so let's head over to settings. So these, we do not have the option of changing language here. Email settings also, we can't. And the device management, apparently we can't. Privacy settings, we really can't. So how exactly do we get that done? So how do we not change this language on Indeed? So here's what you're going to do. You're gonna have to open a new tab, and then in the new tab, in your search bar, just go ahead and type indeed.com/preferences, and then click on enter on your keyboard, and it's going to take you to this page. So here you go. So you might be like, oh, so why can't we find these preferences within Indeed's website? I also asked that question too. But scroll the way down, you're now going to find language, the interface language. So you can see it's in English. So click on this drop down menu, and then you can see there are a lot of options, a lot of languages that you can definitely choose from. So select the one that you want. And once you select your language, go ahead and click on Save Preferences. It's important that you save preferences. All right, and then once you save preferences, you can see this banner that says your preferences have been saved, and then that's just going to be it. So that's pretty much the process. You can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.